When that squealing sound starts, it's time to get your butt into the mechanic shop, okay? That squealing sound is telling you your brake pads must be changed now. If you don't change them, you're going to cause the pads to start damaging the rotor, causing a grinding sound. That's going to tell you that you have now almost doubled the cost of your repair. And if you don't handle it when the grinding starts and you let your brakes continue to wear and damage your rotor, eventually it will also damage your caliper, causing your repair to be even more expensive. It'll cause your brake fluid to leak out of your caliper, one or more of them. It will make your brake pedal start sinking down to the ground where you won't be able to stop your car as effectively, and it will give you a very expensive repair. Now, are you wondering about squeaking? Well, there's nothing in the brake pad itself that's making the squeaking sound. And the squeaking sound doesn't tell you that you need brakes. The squeaking sound is typically not something you have to be super concerned about, but it's caused by a little bit of water between your pad and your rotor, a thin layer of rust that built up on your rotors because you haven't been driving them, or because you purchased a lower quality brake pad that produces more brake dust. If you don't know the difference between squealing and squeaking, you've never heard it in your vehicle, make sure to get your car checked out. And if you ever call your mechanic after getting your brakes replaced because the brakes are squeaking, now you know why they tell you there's nothing wrong with your brakes.